Okay. Okay, things have gotten really exciting. Eloise is about to fight her first battle. And she's gonna serve you Thundershock. I've never really been big on, like, the status moves. I would always rather... Oh, shit, I'm paralyzed. Fully paralyzed. I've been there. Okay. Oh, things are getting dicey. Come on. Yes. Critical hit. Eloise, girl. Oh. Growing up before my very eyes, she learned how. Gary can kind of get it, right? Like, he's always had really good hair. And I'm talking nonsense. Smell you later. What a little dweeb. That sounds like a lot of pressure. Okay. Oh. You guys? Can you just...